In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email on Outlook later. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to schedule your emails to be sent at a time that suits you best, ensuring that your messages are sent out at the most opportune moment, whether it's for business correspondence or personal communication. Having the ability to plan and automate your emails can be a real game changer, especially if you're managing different time zones or simply want to compose emails when you're most focused. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Outlook account, open your preferred web browser, head over to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Once there, you'll find yourself at the gateway to accessing all the powerful tools Outlook offers. If you have your login credentials handy, go ahead and enter them. Remember, it's essential to keep your login information secure and only enter it on trusted devices to protect your account. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to the Outlook Mail homepage. This is the hub where you manage all your emails. Take a moment to orient yourself if you're not already familiar with this page. It's quite user-friendly, and over time you'll find that it allows for efficient management of your emails and schedules. Now, to draft a new email, simply click on the New Mail button. You'll usually find this button on the left-hand side or in the corner of your screen depending on your device or browser layout. Clicking this opens up a fresh email template where you can start drafting your message. Once you're in the new email screen, it's time to fill in the necessary details. Begin by entering the recipient's email address in the To field. Make sure to double check the address for any typos to avoid email delivery issues. Next, move on to the subject line. This is your chance to create a brief and descriptive headline for your email, giving your recipient a clue about what to expect. Now, on to composing your email. Type in the main content of your message in the body section. Make sure your email is clear and concise and that it conveys the message you want to send. Before proceeding to schedule it, take a moment to proofread your message. Look out for any spelling or grammatical mistakes, as a well-edited email looks more professional. Here's where the scheduling magic happens. Instead of immediately clicking the Send button, go to the down arrow beside the Send button. It might appear as a small drop-down icon. Clicking this arrow will reveal the Schedule Sending option. From the drop-down menu, click on Schedule Send. This feature offers you the flexibility to decide precisely when your email goes out. It's an incredibly handy tool if you're working across different time zones, or if you want your email to arrive at the start of a recipient's workday. Next, select Custom Time. This option allows you to choose an exact date and time for when you want your email to be sent. A calendar and time picker should appear, giving you the control to schedule your email just as you planned. Take this opportunity to think about your recipient's schedule. For example, if you're sending a business email, it might be best scheduled to arrive during regular business hours. Once you have selected the date and time that works best for you, confirm your selection. It's important to double check that the AM/PM setting is correct, depending on what time you are planning to send your email. Ensuring this small detail is accurate can prevent any mix-ups with your scheduling. Finally, when everything is set, hit the Send button. Your email is now queued to be sent at the date and time you specified. Outlook will handle the rest, effortlessly delivering your message exactly when you intended. You can relax knowing that your communication is already prepared and handled. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you need to review or alter the timing of any scheduled email, you can do so by navigating to your drafts or outbox depending on Outlook's settings. Here you can adjust and reschedule as needed, and that's it. That's how you schedule an email in Outlook to be sent at a later time. By using this feature, you have enhanced control over your email communications, making your interactions more effective and timely. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and you feel more empowered to make the most of Outlook's scheduling capabilities. Thank you for joining us today, and happy emailing.